Hey guys, so today we are going to make the best slime in the world. I mean, this is just my opinion, but you already saw the title. But, yeah. Let's get started. So, this is what the completed slime looks like. Here. So, first you're going to need some glue. And then you're going to add a lot of water, so much where it looks like milk. Add in your baking soda, but when you do this, you just basically want to figure out what your comfortable spot is. Like, what you think is the right amount. So, I'm just estimating. I think I did like a teaspoon or something. I don't know. Now, you're going to add some saline solution, but the reason why I'm not adding contact solution is because it's like more dangerous than saline solution. So I'm going to add in a lot of that. And you should start being able to see it thickening up. Really, all you have to do is just like mix, and mix. Because I haven't added anything, and this is from the last time that I showed you. Yeah, it's like almost starting to come off the bowl. But yeah, it's super cool. Once again, I still haven't added anything, and like, it's getting super good at starting to come off the bowl. And if you touch it, it's like not leaving any residue. See? I don't know, I just really like it. So from the last time I showed you, I haven't added anything, and it's already done. This is probably the most jiggliest, stretchiest, like, just coolest slime I think I've ever made, and that's why I think this is the best slime in the world, because like that, and it's so jiggly, and it doesn't just like break like that. Like, oh my gosh, it's super jiggly. I think it's because of all the water I added, but like, I'm serious, I haven't added anything since the last time I showed you. So you only need a little bit. This is so cool. And a trick is the like more water you add, the bigger batch of slime. It's kind of like fluffy slime. The more shaving cream you add, the bigger batch of slime. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Comment down below if you think this is one of the best slimes in the world, and if you tried it out. So yeah, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. I honestly don't care. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and comment down below other videos that you want me to do. So jiggly. Okay. So